guys, so if you already have a WooCommerce activated in your website, it's time to add a products and get sales. So this video is pretty straightforward. Obviously, this is a WooCommerce discussion, and if you are new into WooCommerce, then you should check this out. But before we begin, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification, and thumbs up as well if you want to see more videos related to WooCommerce and WordPress. Before you start adding products into your website, you need to understand the different kinds of product data. And there are 4 different kinds of product data. The number 1 is a simple product. The second one is the variable products. And the third one is the affiliate products. And the fourth one is the group products. So simple product is the common product so far. If your product doesn't have a lot of variations, like maybe colors, sizes, and all of the stuff, I mean, you don't have that kinds of variation, then you can use simple product. This is pretty straightforward, and you just need to put the price and your SKU. But actually SKU there is also optional, but I still recommend that you use SKU to track your products inventory. And also, if you are running a dropshipping website, I would recommend that your SKU from your dropshipping company or dropshipping website should be similar to your WooCommerce products if you use simple products or any kind of product data. So it would be easier for you to track or to manage your inventories. So let's start with simple product. So I assume you already installed a WooCommerce plugin into your WordPress website, and if you haven't yet, just simply go to the plugins and then click that add new thing, and then write in Woo, and you should able to see this part. Right now it is activated in my account, so make sure you activate it to see this portion. Now again, let's start with a simple product. To add a product, just click this add new, and then we will then start. Okay, I'm gonna start with the simple product. So let's try to add a blockhead remover, and then let's say this price is maybe $30, okay? And in this is the type of product data that I'm referring. We have a simple product, we have a group, external and affiliate, and variable. So let's start with the simple product. So in the sales price is you can set the price, or let's say for example you have a promo this coming September, you want to have like 50% off for the regular price, then you can simply type the promo price and then put a schedule when do you want that to happen and when it will be expired if you want to run a promotion in the future. So that's how it works, and if you don't want that, then you can leave it as blank. And in this option there is an inventory. So SKU is optional, but I really recommend that you put an SKU on all of your products to keep it to manage your inventory. So I'm gonna put this is a blockhead remover, so I'm gonna this is a remover, so RM1. And if you're running a dropshipping website, make sure that your SKU is similar to your dropshipping SKU, because all of the dropshipper sites has their own SKU. So if you are running a dropshipping business, then make sure they're matched to each other. Then this option is manage stocks. So if you're not, I mean, if it's not dropshipping, you ordered in wholesale, then you can manage your stocks. So let's say for example, currently I have 50 stocks, and then I want to, do I allow back orders? Right now I don't want to allow back orders. You can choose allow if you want to. And then low stock threshold, this means if you are out of stock. So I want to receive an email once my stock quantity reached to 10 items. So that's it, how it works. Enable this, allow 1 item to be bought in a single order. If you don't want them to order like 2 items, then you need to check this one. And I don't want, they can order more than 1 item, so I don't want that to be thick. So let's go for the shipping dimension. So this shipping is super important for logistics, especially if you are if your products are physical. So you need to put in your weight. So in this option as well, if you don't want to use grams, you want a kilogram, then you can go to the settings option, and then go to this part, shipping, and go to the products, and then instead of using grams, you can then change it to kilogram or pounds or like that, ounces. So save it. So I'm gonna use kilogram on that. So let's just refresh my I'll go back to the old products, and this is the draft that I did. Then click the edit, and then I will go back to the shipping. By the way, our changes wasn't changed, so I'll put it back to 30, and then SQRM 01 enable stocks. I have 50 stocks, and I want to a 10 threshold. Now in the inventory section, this is just 0.5 grams. Length would be in cm. So as an example, let's just put 5 cm, 5 cm, and height of 10 cm. And shipping classes, I will not discuss these shipping classes. Let me know if you want me to do further instruction for the shipping classes. I'll create a tutorial of that. Comment down below. And yeah, also if you subscribe to my channel on this video, then it means that you love seeing WooCommerce video, and that will inspire me to create more WooCommerce tutorials. So yeah, let me know if you want me to create a shipping class tutorial for you. So link classes. This is for the cross sale. If you want to pop up a additional product for the blackhead remover, so you just need to search that one. So let's say, for example, I have, let me see my current products right now. So I'm gonna go back to the products, and let's say I want to have a cross sale of infrared ultra captivation. So I'm gonna add infrared ultra captivation. If you want to have a cross sale, I'm sure you know what's a cross sale means. So maybe, okay, let's just put 7 colors. Okay, and then attributes is if you want sizes, but this will not work for simple products, so let's skip that for now. And then purchase note, if you want to have like a note for the seller, so please add a landmark on your shipping address. So like that. Menu order, like when do you want, this is something related to the menu thing in this part. So if you want this product will show in the first order, then you need to put 0. If you want it to be on 2 order, you need to put 1. So the ordering starts with 0. So enable review if you want to enable review. So direct checkout, this is a extension because I don't want them I want them, if they click the button, they will redirected to the checkout immediately. So this is an extension. So yeah, if you want that, then you can just install that extension. Now in these options as well, you need to put a product categories for your for all of your items. This is super important for filtering or styling your shop page. So right now this is a blockhead remover, so I'm gonna put my category for this is called remover. Product tags, it should show in the product area, so let's just type in blockhead remover. By the way, as much as possible, I avoid putting a lot of products into my shop page because it's a bit messy, and right now the new algorithm in Google tags is less important in SEO. So I just want to keep it simple. So product image, this will be set, you will see this as the featured image. So okay, let's add an image here. So products, go to the published products, and it's called remover. Where is my remover? Okay, I don't have few products here, so let's use this. By the way, I discourage to use a super, I'm just doing this, I'm just creating this as a demo. So but if you're already doing final design, make sure that your file name is SEO friendly and it's long tail as possible. So blackheads, it's super general, so make it descriptive as possible. So I'm gonna put like blackhead remover for blackhead remover or blackhead sanction kit. Okay, but it really depends on your keyword. So you need to do keyword, you need to go to the keyword planner and do keyword research. What is a winnable keywords? And we will not discuss it. Let me know if you want me to do something, a tutorial on that. Comment down below as well. So click this, that you need to put like the description of the product itself. So blackhead sanction kit full dimension overview. So just a description, what's the picture all about. So there hasn't been mentioned there, so I'm gonna put like the dimension and product details. So set as an image, and then there is an option as well if you want to set a product, you want to add a gallery images. So for example, I want to add this one, and let's publish it. Okay. And then you should able to see this, like this is the featured image that we've set here, and this is the product images. Now if you want to add information in this part, then you can go to this area under product description. So I'm gonna put maybe voltage 5V, current 1A, power BW, sanction power is greater than 65 kPa. But by the way, I will change this. I will provide like a short description why this product is a great beauty, one of your skincare tool. So I'm just giving you like a quick this short description of the product. And then for the if you want to put more information in this option, then you can go in this part. Now, the second products. Now, if your products has a lot of variety, let's say for example, you are selling dresses and your dresses have sizes and it has a lot of colors. So now let's proceed to variable products. So I have one product here that I want to convert into variable. So it's currently in simple right now. So let's convert it into variable. So we already discussed this in a previous video tutorial, so let's just skip that and directly change this into variable. So the inventory, we already discussed this one, and the shipping as well. I'll just skip it. This is optional, but it's super important that you fill this out for your logistic. Super important, especially if you are selling physical products. Now link products, we've already discussed that. Now go to the attributes. So for the attributes, these are the variations. So if your products has different colors, has different sizes, has different types, has different categories, then you need to add an attributes. Now to add an attributes, simply click that, choose this custom product attributes and click the add. And you will be like, what kind of attributes it is? Is it a size? Is it a color? So I'm gonna remove this one because we already have an existing attribute called type. So I'm gonna remove that, and we have an existing attribute called type, and we have different type for our 7 colors button mask. So we have a face only, and we also have a face and neck, and this one serve as our separator. So yeah, and then make sure that you click this visible on the product page, otherwise you cannot use these attributes. I mean, customers cannot pick a type of product they want to purchase. So use variations, you need to tick that as well, because in the variation you need specific like pricing or details on each attribute. So does it make sense? Wait a minute, let me okay, I'm gonna show you why you need to tick this part. So if you uncheck that one, if you go to the variations, you cannot use the attributes, okay? So you need to make sure that it is tick. So save that, and then variation, and then we will add the variations. Now I'm gonna click that add variations and then go. And then we have 2 variations, right? So we need to hit 2 times. So variation, face only, and then the other one is face and neck. Now in this face only, I'm gonna add a picture for face only. So this is for the face only. And the price for the face, maybe I'll just set it to $2,000 2,500 pesos, which is I think $60 on USD. So manage, let's say you have different stock for your face. You have 90. Anyway, I already told you on that in this part, so I already mentioned this on our previous video, so we will not discuss that, and you can just skip that part because that is optional. But as much as possible, if you can fill that out, then it's super amazing. So SKU, if you want to fill that out, then yeah, just fill that out if you want to. So let's just skip that and go to the face and neck. For the face and neck, I have other picture. This is my other picture for the face and neck. So as you can see, the photo, it also have a neck thing. So by the way, for the renaming, you need to make sure that it is descriptive as possible, but I'll change it later. I'll just wanted to make it like super straightforward how you can add that one. So face and neck, this one, and manage stocks, I only have 20 stocks for my face and neck photos, and the price of face plus neck is a bit higher compared to the face only, and it's 4,500 pesos. And yeah, I'll just keep that as is and save it. Now for the category, it's lead therapy, and this one is lead photon mask. And again, as much as possible, I don't want to be crazy on the product tags. By the way, product tags before is working, but right now, I mean, Google are less prioritizing tags. So let's update that one and let's see how that works and how it is different for the simple page. So yeah, as you can see here, this variable thing has more feature compared to the simple page. You can, the customer can choose what kind of product she wants to purchase. So for example, face only, it's 2,500 pesos. For face and neck, it's 4,500 pesos. And I mean, the stocks as well are changing. You can also keep it uniform if you want to. And let's say, for example, they do have other variations. Aside from type, it also have a sizes, or it also have, let's say, a color. So you can do that as well on your variable, like in the variable attributes. So sorry, in your attributes area. So for example, it has like, let's just put it, let's okay, I'm gonna create an attributes, maybe, okay, color frame. Okay, color frame, it's white and black. By the way, I will remove this because all the color frames are white, but I'm just giving you like a quick overview how it works. So go back to the variations. Okay, variations, and then let's say I'm gonna add like a white frame, so face only and white, and then I will also add another face only and then block, and then add another variation, face and neck, white, and then block, and then save it. And let's see, update. Let's see if there's any changes. As you can see here, like white, it has, they can select. So for example, your face, your white color is, I mean, it's cheaper compared to your block color, then it's also possible. You can also keep it like normal price. You just basically need to set the pricing here. By the way, if you skip the pricing, it will not work on the front end side. So for example, the face only, as you can see here, there is something like X thing. It's because you haven't set the regular price. So variation price is required. So you need to make sure that you set that. So let's just put like, okay, 2,500. And for the white, still the same, 2,500, face only. I want to move that at the top. There should be an option to move that at the top, I believe. I want to move that at the top part, and then white, 2,000. Okay, let's, for example, the white thing is a bit expensive, like $2 expensive than the black one. Then you can set that on that part, but you just basically need to fill in the details. You can skip all of the details here and then just put the price. so it will work on the front end. Because basically when you skip all of this thing like the weight, the shipping classes, and the description dimension, they will follow the global details on your shipping and in your inventory. So that's how it works. So let's update that one and let's see how it looks on the product page. As you can see here, face white, it's 2,600 pesos, block 2,500, face. So yeah, so you can set a lot of variation. You can also put like a colors, like this one, if you wanted to have like a block bars and a white bars, then it's also possible, but I will not discuss this in this video. Let me know if you want to create another tutorial on that. So yeah, that's how it works. The third one is affiliate products. Now affiliate products, let's say for example, you are affiliate of Amazon, then what you can do is just set that affiliate and put that link into the right link. So basically you just, when they visit your website and they click that product into your website, they will be redirected to your affiliate link. So that's the purpose of affiliate website, affiliate product data, and I'm gonna show you like how it works. So the other one is affiliate and external links. And from the word itself, external. So if you want that product to link on an external website, then you can use that product data. So let's say for example, Amazon. By the way, to those who are new to the e-commerce and affiliate and dropshipping, then this big e-commerce website, let's say Amazon, they have affiliate, which you can receive a kickback. In Amazon, you can earn up to 10% commission every time someone use your affiliate link to purchase a product. So if you are a YouTuber and you have a review of that certain product and you join on Amazon and that product is available in Amazon, then better to sign up in affiliates. If your viewers or your followers use your link to purchase that product, then you can get a commission. And in this Amazon thing, you can earn up to 10% commission. If you're in the Philippines or in Asia, I think Lazada has an affiliate on that, so just check that out. So yeah, so let's proceed. I'm gonna add a new product and I'll just look for any random image products here. So actually I've chosen one product. So let's say for example this facial steamer, nano iconic, something like that, nano iconic facial steamer, and then I'm gonna change that. Let's put the name, and okay, I'm gonna let's just get this part. By the way, pasting the product description is actually fine on Google as long as it is product description, but if you can put a unique, like it's your own description, the better. But this is just an example, so I'm just giving you like a demo how it works. So external, so this part, there is an option here like product URL, so you need to put your product URL. But an affiliate, you need to sign up an affiliate and then use your unique link. This one is the general product link, so you cannot get a commission in that. So what is the button? So I'm gonna, button would be buy now. Regular price is $29.99. And what is, okay, relaxation, and then we will add this product. Let me just screenshot that one. By the way, I am using Lightshot. If you want to have like super convenient way to screenshot any pictures or elements in your windows, then you can use Lightshot. Lightshot is a free extension in Google, so super important, super useful. I use it all the time, like in my daily basis. So facial steamer, and then let's add this product and upload that picture. And what else? Again, always put that one, and we just want to skip it. Okay, this is the wrong picture, but yeah, just giving you like a quick thing. SKU, what is the SKU on this? Actually, you can leave that as blank. So let's just leave this as blank. Link products, we already tackled this one. So published, and let's see like how it works on an affiliate and external. So if you click that view product thing, so buy now, there is like quick featured image in the description. So if I go to this, let's use incognito, so I'm not signed up as an admin. If I click this buy now thing, it will redirect to your to the Amazon. So that's how it works on the affiliate. I believe you cannot get a information from that customer, because it will basically just link to the, you know, to the product URL. So I'm gonna remove that. So that's how it works. And the fourth one is so-called group products. So group products works if you, from the word itself, you have a lot of products and they are grouped to each other. Let's say, for example, dresses. This will be applicable. By the way, this is applicable if your e-commerce is you are selling a lot of products in your website. So let's say, for example, you want to group your dresses, you want to group your gadgets. So this this type of product data is something that you need to use. But when you are having, I mean, if you are still a small business, then I highly recommend that you only concentrate on one product, or no, you only concentrate in few products to, I mean, to avoid your audience to get overwhelmed. Okay, so yeah, but it just depends on you. If you really want to have, like, to build a huge website, then you can definitely do that. You can create a website like Amazon using WordPress and using WooCommerce. So that's how it works. So now let's proceed to the group products. So for example, I have, okay, I'm gonna add a new product here, and I have like a combo items for blockhead remover and for the facial wash, facial suction. Now I'm gonna set a group products. So the group products, it has like still the same. If you wanted to have like an inventory, then just keep that. And the attributes, so if we place that one, okay, I'm gonna put this as, actually I need to have another setup here, so it should be remover at the same time. It's also a facial cleanser, so update that one. So if we go here, by the way, I'm gonna add a featured image as well. I'm gonna add a featured image, and let's call it combo skincare product. And then let's remove that dash thing here. So set that and then update. So this is how it works. So this is like the group thing. It's super general. So you need to use your link, your simple product to link it on your facial, on your group products. So this will work for combos and for, like, if you have a wide, you have a lot of products on your e-commerce website, so you better need to group them so you can organize all the categories. So for example, I have this product remover and facial. Let's just put combo skincare, something like that, combo skincare. Now I have a product here on all products area. I have one product, it's called blockhead remover, and it is simple product. So this is the simple product. We already done that earlier. So if you want to set that, so I want to set, let's say for example, the link product for that is blockhead remover. So if you update that one, you will see this part, okay, blackhead remover. Now I'm gonna add another product here. This is a lifting facial mask. So let's just duplicate this one, and I'm gonna add another product like facial cleanser lifting suction. Okay, I'm super bad with the file name, but I'll just change that later. So I'm gonna change the remover and put it facial cleanser. Price is 1,500 pesos, or let's say that is, I think it's $30. So I'm gonna remove I'm gonna change the product image and use the the facial thing. Where is that? It's not there. Let me just pause this for a while. I'll just get the picture. So you already have the picture. Go back to the area and then let's upload the picture for our facial cleanser lifting tool. So yeah, put some description. By the way, guys, don't be lazy with the description. I know I'm super lazy, but I will absolutely change that later after this tutorial. So update this one. By the way, let's say for example, you just want to use this simple product on your group products. There is an option here on the visibility thing if you want to hide that or if you want to show that. But yeah, I'll just prefer this one to be like in the shop search. So just update that one. And again, you can hide it if you want to. The hidden thing will be applicable, especially for example, you are selling USB, and like USB has a lot of gigs, like 20 gigs, 1 terabyte, and you don't want to bombard all your shops with same kind of products and different, so you can hide those product things, but actually it will also work. Instead of using group products, you can use variable products on that. So yeah, I'm gonna add the link products I'm gonna add the new products that we created on this group. So that is, I think it's facial cleansing lifting. Okay, and then let's update that one. And as you can see here, like they can purchase 2 product items, and it will, if you set that, okay, wait a minute. So if I go to the view, let's go back, and I'm gonna add 1 and then 2, and then let's try to add that. Then it will automatically just work on the cart section. So yeah, that's how it works. But if you want to have like a combo, like they can save this certain amount of money, then instead of using group, you can use variable products. So that's how it works. And the other thing as well, in the product data, there is a feature that's called virtual and downloadable. So this will work for virtual products. Let's say for example, ebooks. So if you are selling ebooks, then you can take that virtual thing and download thing. And I'm going to give you like a walkthrough process how that works. So last but not the least is the virtual and downloadable. So this is not a product data, but it is an extension of product data. So let's say for example, you are selling an ebook. So it is intangible, so you just need to click that virtual thing. And if you notice here, the shipping area is gone if you tick this. So yeah, you don't need to just fill in the shipping data. So if it's an ebook, and the process is still the same. If you want to, the process, like you need to fill in the price, inventory. I don't think inventory is necessary for the virtual. So maybe link products for the upsell and cross sells, and for the attributes, let's say if you have combo like Facebook ads for the beginners and then Facebook ad master or Facebook bundle, so you can use attributes or link products for the upsell. For the downloadable thing is let's say for example it's virtual and then it's an ebook. So if it's an ebook, they need to download the ebook. So if you tick this downloadable thing, you have this another option here where you need to put a file. So let's say for example, Facebook ads blueprint, and then file URL. What is like, if it's in a PDF, then you just need to import the PDF, or if you want to use a Dropbox or any external link, then it is possible. And then the download link, if you want it to be like your user can download it anytime, like unlimited, then you can leave it as blank, or you can put like a limitation, like they can only download once, they can only download the ebook once. So that is like the option. Download expiry, so if you are selling like it's a subscription basis, a renewal basis, then you can put like an expiration when it will be expires. So after 7 days, after 365 days. So yeah, like that. And then pricing, it's still the same with the tutorial that I've told you. Inventory for the virtual is not necessary. If you are selling like ebooks or something like that, it's not necessary because it's virtual. Link products can be helpful, can be used if, let's say for example, you have a beginner Facebook ads, then you want to upsell a mastermind Facebook ads, then use these link products. Attributes is what, small or big ebooks? I don't think it's, oh, okay. Attributes, let's say for example, if it is a, like you have a Word option, you also have a PDF, so type of documents, then you can use attributes. Then purchase note, if you want to, like we provide like for support, then email, blah blah blah, something like that. So purchase note. Direct checkout, then again this is an extension. So yeah, that's how it works. That covers all of the product data. There's still other things that we can cover on WooCommerce, and yeah. I hope this has been helpful, guys. Let me know if you have other questions, or let me know what other tutorials that you want me to do on my next video. I would love to create one for you. And again, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, click that bell notification, and thumbs up if you want to see more videos about WooCommerce and WordPress.